Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So I've got to process 17 pounds of pork. Actually 19 pounds of pork. And here's why. So last week in the grocery haul, we got quite a bit of meat in our grocery haul. The only problem is we don't have any space in our freezer to put the packs of meat. So I've done a couple crock pots. There's a crock pot here of pork. There's a crock pot here of pork. There. And then we already cooked some, and we've been eating some. We have cooked some ribs here, and we've been eating some. We have 2 packages of sausage that need to be cooked. And then we have a little bit of, I think this is ground beef. So I couldn't leave that meat in the fridge just out because after a certain amount of days, it starts to go bad. So, and then my freezers are slammed full, right? I can't get anything else in my freezers. I'm not shopping this week for anything except milk, water, and any fresh produce I need. I've got to process these strawberries. Y'all pull those out, please. So, and then pull out anything that can be used that needs to be processed, please. Anything, all the food, all these 2 food baskets. I need to clean everything out. Everything down here. Let's get it all out. So, one thing I did forget was Ziploc bags. So I have to run to the grocery store and pick up Ziploc bags because we don't have any. And I want to make sure that we are marking stuff and using it up as we need. Now, we do have to have dinner tonight. So we are going to have Mississippi roast. I'm going to make a little more gravy because there wasn't quite enough gravy to go. I'm going to do that gravy Whole30 style because I want to not use any. Well, I don't even think I have heavy cream. Do I have heavy cream? Mm-hmm. Oh, I do have heavy cream. So maybe I just make it regular. And we're going to do Kaale rice and some greens. So let's do that. Not potatoes tonight. We'll do greens. And then I'm going to make some of those muffin top things so that I can have some morning breakfast things. So we're going to bring you guys along in the kitchen. Like I said, I'm going to run over to Food Lion. I normally would try to go to Dollar General, but Dollar General is getting so dirty in there. Not dirty. It makes me feel like I'm claustrophobic when I go in there because there's so much stuff and they don't clean and I can't. So I'm gonna run the Food Line real quick. I'm gonna get the kids started. Y'all get gloves on. Gloves on. I want the fat pulled off the meat. The fat and the meat separated to go in different places. Like the fat and the meat, right? See what I'm talking about? Y'all got it? Okay. And then I'm going to take myself. I'm going to run real quick. Food Line's not far. And then I'll be back to help finish. We've got teens tonight, so I do need to do that. But we'll just bring you along in our kitchen as we're working on kitchen projects. All right, y'all. We thought we'd take a few minutes and bring y'all out into the garden. We have flowers on our squash. They're coming up on all the squash. Now, we've had flowers before, but they have never produced anything. And we also have flowers on our tomatoes, which are growing tremendously. They're all growing. The kids are out watering now. Alana's putting down some coffee grounds. This tomato, I'm probably gonna have to stake it because it's come from outside of the cage. So I'm probably gonna have to stake that one separately, but that'll be fine. I think I've got some stakes. We're drooping. We gotta water. It's hot, then it's cold. Our grapevine is doing amazing. Lots of lovely little flowers. Now, if any of you know what this white stuff is, let me know. I'm trying to hope it's not powdery mildew. And we try really hard not to water the leaves. Really hard. Real hard not to water the leaves. Like we get down to the roots so that we're not watering the leaves. But I hope it's not hurting the plant. I should look that up. But we do have some fruit. So this is a hot pepper plant. We do have some hot peppers coming up. These peppers are not as big as I would like. And then I do have one. Jackson, I'm gonna have to get Jack to replant this because I think the dog stepped on it. It still has a flower on it though, but it's supposed to be standing up. So I'm gonna get Jackson to replant that one. But Alana was like, oh, there's one too, Alana. There's a hot pepper in there. You probably can't see it. It's in there. You see it?
Oh, I see it.
Uh-huh. And then here.
Did you see the one in here?
We have a pepper there. No, I didn't see that one. Oh, it's busting out of the flower. They're in there. We've got a couple. We've got one.
Definitely over there though.
Right there. Alana, do you see that one laying over?
That one?
Yeah, I need you to dig a hole and stand it back up in there. It just fell over. I think the dog stepped on it. And we've got one right there. So we've got quite a few, some fruit coming in the garden. Okay, back into the house for Mom. I gotta get some keto rolls going. But we doing all the things, y'all. I'm gonna come out actually, and I'm gonna dig a trench here, right along this outside border of the peppers, and plant cucumbers. And prayerfully, they will not latch onto my peppers, but they'll latch onto the chicken wire, because cukes are a sister plant, or they do okay with peppers. And then what I'm gonna do, these are cauliflower. Cauliflower is growing, right? So they're nice and tall. So I'm gonna come through here, and I'm gonna add in some more radishes. I'm gonna add in radishes. I haven't done any. So I'm gonna do some radishes through here. And my lettuce did not come up, so I'm gonna replant something here, but spinach is up. Oh, it is gonna rain. That's okay. Spinach is up, but my lettuce did not come up. So we're gonna replant, and then my spinach didn't come up here. So I probably will just replant more spinach in here. Carrots are doing okay. But our cabbage are doing amazingly well, right? They're really, really big. And you can start seeing that they're starting to, you know, do what they're supposed to do. But I am noticing that I'm starting to get some holes. So I'm gonna try to figure out what's eating them, so that I can put something on them that's natural, that's gonna keep any bugs off, right? Because I don't wanna do all this hard work and have Jackson make sure don't water the leaves, babe, to not lose plants. And then in between here, I'm gonna do radishes. And I saw Becky on Acre Homestead do that. Yeah, make sure you dig it deep, Alon, or at least get it to stand up. Yeah. So anywho, back into the house for some cooking.
All right, guys, so we thought we'd just show you our dinner before we go ahead and dig in. It is 7:44, and it is a Tuesday, so we are tired. So over here we have just a pot of greens. Regular greens I got from a can. Add some salt and some water, but other than that, not really anything special. In this pot we have, what is this? So like a leftover hodgepodge. A one-pot meal with beef broth, heavy cream, meat, spinach, laughing cow cheese, and all the good things that taste delicious. And over here, Mom made the rolls. These ones look a little crispy. I like my rolls crispy. Doesn't matter. We just put some butter on them and some honey, and we will enjoy all the food. So anyways, thank you for stopping by and watching. Don't forget to give us a like.
Alrighty, you guys. So thank you so much for stopping by that video. We will see you next time. Bye now.